Hey everyone, Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at these Raxium Axial Series LED mirror puddle lights fitting 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. Now these are a super easy and effective way to upgrade the lighting and functionality of your Silverado. With a quick install time and an awesome price, this is a really simple upgrade that every owner should make to their truck. Now, for whatever reason, Chevy bestowed the 19 and newer Silverado 1500s with incandescent bulbs in the mirrors to act as the puddle lights. And while of course they work, they are not as effective as they could be. Enter these LED units from Raxium. Now these pop right in place of your factory lights. They're going to provide a noticeable improvement in the exterior lighting. So if you live somewhere dark or you're frequently getting into and out of your truck later at night or early in the morning, these could easily save your bacon. The LEDs provide a much brighter and wider swath of illumination as compared to those factory bulbs, meaning that you'll be able to see more and even spot your truck more easily in the dark. Now each light features a few LED bulbs on the inside, and the housings are built using OEM quality materials, meaning that they are weather resistant so dirt and moisture won't have a way in. They look and feel kind of just like a factory setup, so they're built to withstand the test of time, whatever else you might be able to throw at them. You get clear polycarbonate lenses just like you do over your factory headlights, meaning that these are going to shine nice and bright, and they'll be pretty resistant to cracking or fading over time, especially since they're not directly exposed to UV light. Plus, they come pre-wired and ready to go, but we'll talk more about that in a moment. Price-wise, these really can't be argued with either. They come in at about $30 for the pair. So these are a solid, really affordable upgrade that's gonna make your truck look and function just that much better than it did off the factory or showroom floor. Now, I'm always in support of inexpensive things that look and function well, so these are absolutely a no-brainer in my book. Installation couldn't be much easier either, and we're gonna give these accordingly a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and they should only take you about 15 minutes to install. Again, these are 100% plug and play. No cutting or splicing of wires required. Just pop out your old ones, plug these, and snap them in place. And to show you exactly how to do that now, let's hand things over to one of our AT customers. Tools used in this install include a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool.
Hi, today I am installing the axial puddle lights on the driver's side mirror. It's a pretty simple installation. You'll want to use a flathead screwdriver. The longer and skinnier, the better. On the original puddle light, there's a little tab here on the side. You just need to push it gently and then pry it out. And then you simply disconnect it from the harness. And the puddle lights, there's a left side and a right side. So on the axial, if you look at the back, it should tell you whether it's for the left side or right side. The one I'm holding right now is for the left side. Then I'll install the female to the male connector, and the wiring is a little bit longer than the original, but there should be plenty of space here to tuck in. So after you finish tucking in the wires, you make sure the tabs align with the little slot, and you should hear a click, and that's it.
That's gonna do it here for our review and install the Raxium Axial Series LED mirror puddle lights fitting 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Silverado, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.